on the bike path. 10th. Not so lucky on Granville. I don't know if it's recording or paused. Sideswiped. November 11th. After that. Get the groove. Get my new hit called Beep Beep Bang. What's wrong with this picture?